Hello, welcome to Something Tasty Food channel. I am Esther, a college student. Welcome to the special video where I am going to make sambar. This recipe is designed to keep you less time in the kitchen as needed. I know many of us don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen and yet would like to have a restaurant type sambar taste, isn't it? If you want to make the sambar faster, you can skip sambar powder preparation part and directly use ready-made sambar powders. Many of you who are not familiar with South Indian cuisine may ask, what is a sambar? A sambar is a flavorful vegetables and lentils stew used for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It goes great with Indian breakfast items like Idli, Dosa, Vada or Chapatis. It's very popular in South India, especially in Tamilnadu and Sri Lanka. In the state of Kerala, India, they dry roast and grind shredded coconut flakes into the sambar mix. This adds extra taste, but it's optional. Come on, let's go to the kitchen and start cooking.
Add 2 tablespoon oil on the pan. Next add half cup chana dal, also called chickpeas. Half cup urad dal, also called black gram dal. Add half cup coriander seeds. Half cup red gram dal, also called pigeon peas, split pigeon peas or tur dal. Add 4 tablespoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. 15 curry leaves. 1 tablespoon black peppercorn. Once the curry leaves are roasted, it adds a special flavor. One tablespoon mustard seeds. 5 red chilies. You can add more if you like. Add 1 tablespoon asafoetida, which adds a special flavor. And season this mix with 1 tablespoon salt. You can use desiccated coconut or freshly grated coconut half cup, which is optional. Roast them for about 4 to 5 minutes until it turns a medium brown. Now I am going to soak some tamarind. You can use 1 square inch block of tamarind, which you can buy from the store, or you can use 1 fresh tamarind pod. I have ground all the ingredients I roasted earlier using a spice blender. So our homemade sambar powder is ready. This sambar powder can be kept for 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container. Now I am going to pressure cook the dal and tomatoes together. Add 1 cup washed tur dal. Add 3 glasses of water, 1:3 ratio. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 diced tomatoes on top of the dal. To make it more tasty, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of our homemade sambar powder, or you can add ready-made sambar powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Stir it in all before closing the lid to pressure cook. In a fry pan, pour 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Wait for it to get hot. Add 4 diced brinjal, 1 drumstick cut into 2-inch pieces, 1 carrot, 4 beans, 2 cubed potatoes, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 green chilies, 15 shallots, 1 teaspoon salt, and add 4 tablespoons of sambar powder on top of the vegetables. I am going to add the tamarind juice after 4 minutes of cooking the vegetables. Vegetables will also release their own water. On a pan with oil, add 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 1 chopped onion, 3 red chilies, then add 10 to 15 curry leaves, add 5 stalks of chopped cilantro leaves. Mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon asafoetida, which adds special flavor. After the vegetables are cooked well, add the pressure cooked dal to the vegetables with sambar powder. Add 1 cup of water, bring to a rapid boil. After sambar comes to a boil, lower flame. 1 teaspoon salt. Add some more chopped cilantro to give it more flavor. Add the fried onions, red chilies and curry leaves mixture to garnish the sambar.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on Sambar. If you want to watch this video again, by all means come back. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to be notified on new videos. Share this video with your friends, family members and co-workers. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you have suggestions to make this dish more tastier, do let me know. I'd love to read them. Join our social media pages and stay active through the links I have provided in this video. See you all soon. Love you all. Always remember to stay healthy, be happy and keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.